Mask on, gloves tight, little cups lined up in a row. Pick a shade, pick a shine, watch the colors race as they flow. Tilt the world on this canvas, let it run where it wants to go. Tiny galaxy on the table, spinning slow, art is so fun. I'm losing track of time, drip, drop, swirl, it's a state of mind. Pour a little heart, let the mess all shine. Art is so fun and I call it mine. Yeah, I call it mine. I call it mine. Heat gun humming like gossip, chasing bubbles right to the side. Little sparkles stuck on my fingers, laughing cause I'm along for the ride. Every streak, every splatter tells a story I didn't plan. From the spill on my sweater to the shine drying on my hand. Art is so fun, I'm losing track of time. Drip, drop, swirl, it's a state of mind. Pour a little heart, let the mess all shine. Art is so fun and I call it mine. Yeah, I call it mine. I call it mine. Oh yeah. Who said perfect's the point of creation? I'm chasing joy, not chasing a grade. If it runs off the edge of the table, that's just part of the piece I made. Little worlds in a drying corner, proof that play can turn into gold. Every layer a loud confession of all the colors I never told. Art is so fun. Art is so fun. I'm losing track of time. Drip, drop, swirl. It's a state of mind. Pour a little heart, let the mess all shine. Art is so fun and I call it mine. Art is so fun, watch the colors climb. Art is so fun and I call it mine. Hey. Sun's dipping low, skies painting gold. Grab your towel, let the night unfold. The river's calling, feel the summer's embrace. Let's leave behind the world and find our space. Let's go swim in the river tonight, splashing under the moon's soft light. These are the fun days, let's hold 'em tight. Let the water dance, let's feel alive tonight. Barefoot steps on the cool, soft sand. Laughter echoes, hearts unplanned. The river whispers, secrets so sweet. Dive into
Okay, so it's been a few hours. I'm gonna go ahead and demold these. So here's my little deer.
Let's hold 'em tight. Let the water dance. Let's feel alive tonight. Feel the current pulling us free under the stars, just you and me. The rhythm of the waves, a beat we can share. In this river of life, we've got no care. Let's go swim in the river tonight, splashing under the moon's soft light. These are the fun days, let's hold them tight. Let the water dance, let's feel alive tonight. Got a brush in my hand, ready to make my final stand. Yeah, I'm gonna paint the sun before the day is done. I can feel it in my bones. This creation is my own. Paint the sun, let the colors run. Paint the sun, till the day is done. Oh, palette's got every shade, a masterpiece gonna be made. I'm gonna paint the sun so bright, burning through the darkest night. I can feel it in my bones. This creation is my own. Paint the sun, let the colors run. Paint the sun, till the day is done. Paint the sun.
Pack your bags, let's hit the road. Leave behind that heavy load. The river house is calling clear, the place where laughter drowns the fear. Let's go have some fun tonight, under stars that shine so bright. Sharing scenes where worries fade, the best of times we've ever made. Lazy chairs and water sway, nature's music guides our day. Barefoot steps on wooden floors, echo joy through open doors. Let's go have some fun tonight, under stars that shine so bright. Sharing scenes where worries fade, the best of times we've ever made. We've ever made. The river flows with calm and grace, reflections dance, we find our place. Laughter rings through sky fun tonight, under stars that shine so bright. Serene scenes where worries fade, the best of times we've ever made. We've ever made.
The moonlight paints the room in glow. A silent pulse begins to grow. Electric sparks ignite the air. I create like no one's there. With love, with heart, with passion, soul. In the dead of night, I find my role. Every brushstroke, every beat so tight. I love creating art tonight. Shadows dance on the midnight wall. They whisper secrets, they hear my call. Neon colors flow through my veins. I paint my heartbeat through the pain. With love, with heart, with passion, with soul. In the dead of night, I find my role. Every brushstroke, every beat so tight. I love creating art tonight. The clock is silent, we defy its rules. Love's the fire, it fuels my tools.
Here's the completed phone holder. I think it came out great, and I hope you do too. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.
With